Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be doing a makeup tutorial today. It's going to be a fall look with some tones that I'm not really used to, but super excited. To start out, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with my Wet n Wild concealer as always. To start out, I'm taking Orange Soda from the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and working that into my crease and just building up the intensity. Next, I'm going in with the Manny MUA Life's a Drag palette in the shade Snatched. Now, in the palette, it looked a little bit more burgundy, which is what I wanted, but on my skin, it was very pink. So I am going to deepen it up a little bit with a different shadow, but that is what I'm just doing right here and blending it with the Orange Soda. So to deepen up that pink color, I'm taking the shade Mulberry from the same Soft Glam palette. I wanted this tone originally, and it actually looked really good over the pink, so it was fine, but again, this is Mulberry from Soft Glam. To highlight the brow bone, I'm taking Tempera, which is my favorite brow bone highlight shade from Soft Glam again. Soft Glam just has all my go-tos. Sorry for this weird lighting change, my camera likes to play me sometimes, but I am cutting the crease. I am not the best at cutting the crease, but I definitely did a better job than I used to. So I'm just cutting the crease so I can add a very shimmery shade. For my lid color, I'm taking the shade Beat from the Life's a Drag palette, and I am so impressed with this color. Like, as you can see here, I was amazed. It is a beautiful color, and using my finger just made it so much better. It is honestly the best shimmer shadow that I've ever used, guys. It is gorgeous and looks even better in person, and I'm just blending out the edges so it is blended and seamless. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. To tightline and line my waterline, I'm taking my OG CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencil in black. For mascara, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I know that I have told you guys that I love the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit, but I think this Better Than Sex has taken its place. For primer, I am taking my Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer. It is so good and gives me such a beautiful glow. For foundation, I'm taking the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Natural. Definitely my favorite foundation at the moment. A little bit goes a long way, and it just looks like skin. It is so beautiful, and it definitely has taken the place of my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. For concealer, I'm taking my favorite. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. I don't know why that took me so long to say, but I'm blending it out with a Flawless concealer brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It is the best thing to blend concealer out, like, so good. To contour and bronze up the skin, I'm taking my Wet n Wild MegaGlow contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. As always, it is my favorite. To set my concealer, because I forgot to earlier, I'm taking the other side of the palette, which is just the setting powder side. For blush, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Rosy Pink. Here, I'm just taking the black shadow from the Life's a Drag palette and just creating kind of like a liner effect. I'm just pushing the black eyeshadow right where my lashes are, just to darken it up a little bit. For the lower lash line, I'm taking Mulberry from Soft Glam. I wanted to make sure that the lower lash line kind of matched the drama from the lid, so I'm just taking that color and kind of intensifying it slowly. To highlight the inner corners, I'm taking the same shade Beat, which I placed on my lid. To get this face to glow, I'm taking the Champagne Pop, which is by Becca and Jaclyn Hill. I love this highlight so much, it gives me a beautiful glow. For this look, I wanted to keep the drama and focus on the eyes, so I picked this lip color called Now Kith from Smith & Co. It just has a purple tint to it, and it's very glossy, and it kind of goes with like the purplish tones in this makeup look. So once the lips are done, then this look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay updated with all my videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.